Hey everyone, this is Video Reborn. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the iPhone XS Max 512GB together with the Defense Shield by X-Doris. Alright, let's do this unboxing. I have the 512GB just received today, and Apple does a good job of hiding the notch from this promotion packaging. Once you open it, you have the hello instruction, SIM ejection tool, user guide, battery, and all the licensing. Finally, the sticker, as usual. Now we'll get to the meat. iPhone XS Max. As you can see, this is like a copper color. It's gold, but it kind of looks like copper. Kind of like iPhone 8, but it's a lot duller. Okay. And notice that the asymmetric speaker grill and the microphone grill, as well as the antenna over here. Antenna gap here, here, and here, as well as here. This unit has a eSIM and a SIM card slot. Regular charger without fast charging capability, even though you pay premium for that. Headphone, lightning headphone without the dongle. And finally, lightning cable without USB-C. Alright. Now let's get this started. Let's turn it on. And in the meantime, I'll show you this Defense Shield by X-Doris Iridescent color. So this one has an aluminum band which provide military-grade mechanical metal protection, certified to survive 3 meters drop or 10 feet, wireless charging compatible, and an acoustic channel direct speaker forward. Okay, let's unbox this. You get lifetime warranty as well. Limited lifetime guaranteed. So it offers lifetime warranty on this product, so you gotta go to the web page below. Here, xdorislive.com/pages/warranty. Okay, I did claim warranty once for the other Defense Shield, and they have really good service. Mine had the back fell off, and then the back cover fell off. They sent me a replacement without me sending the broken one. All I need to do is just take some pictures of the problem. And there we go. Very good customer service. Very good. Now let's check out the metal band. So it's kind of like a purple, greenish, bluish color. Like the metal has been burnt. Okay. And you got these button, access button, and then a opening for the mute button and a power button. So how does it fit? Now with my wrap on, okay, just want to keep it new. It's quite difficult to put it in. Seriously, let's see. Wow, that's tough, man. It's really tough. Doesn't come with an instruction teaching me how do we put it in, but I guess brute force, it's the only way. Okay, there we go. Now we have the gold color with the iridescent rim.